All right, here we are with question 66. Question 66 has the same directions, which means find the inverse of the function and check your answer. Find the inverse. All right, we learned what that means to do. We interchange the x and the y, and then we solve that equation for y. So we are going to get negative 3 times y plus 1 over y equals x. Now we try to get those y's together. So we're going to begin the same way we did before. We're going to cross multiply. Now that negative sign, I will caution you, is going to get misused if you don't use parentheses around this numerator piece. Okay, so just trust me on that. So anyway, we cross multiply now. We get negative parentheses 3y plus 1 times 1 equals x times y. All right, let's keep going. Distribute the negative sign. Get the y terms to the same side. I'm going to add this. Now they're not like terms, so I can't combine these two terms, but those two terms both have a common factor, which is y. So factor out that common y. Okay? And now, one last step, divide both sides by x plus 3. And you end up getting the inverse function, f inverse, equal to negative 1 over x plus 3. That is your inverse function. And it says check your answer, which means we want to evaluate f of f inverse of x. Put that inverse function back into function f in place of the x's here and here. Sorry about that. So that is going to look like the opposite of 3 times negative 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 all over negative 1 over x plus 3. Get there, now you can see it better. Now it's just a matter of simplifying. This should give you x for your answer when it's all simplified. So all I did is I took the negative sign that was here in front of the entire fraction, and I just put it on top. You know what? That's a bad idea. I'm going to change that. I am actually going to put it on the bottom. Put it on the bottom, along with that guy. Okay, like that. All right, so let's work on the top part. Distribute the 3. Now let's work on the bottom part. 2 negatives make positive, right? All right, now on the top part, right here, I need to get the same denominator, which is going to be x plus 3. And then on the bottom, nothing to do there yet. Okay, back to the top. Got the same denominators, go straight across the top. Getting closer. Okay, remember how to divide fractions? Take the top fraction times the reciprocal of the bottom fraction. And look what happens. Those cancel out. And you just have x. We verified that we have the correct answer because we got for the answer the same thing as your initial input.